Hello guys, welcome back to MaureenFabsChannel. Hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm super excited because I am making a new recipe for the family. In this video I will be showing you guys how to make meatball with potato and cheese. This recipe is so easy and so delicious. So these are the few ingredients that I will be using to make this yummy and delicious meatball with potato. So guys, just relax and watch the video till the So guys, I have come to the end of making this meatball with potato. So I'm going to dish it out right now and have a taste of it. So guys, if this is your first time of watching my video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and share my video to your friends and loved ones. And so guys, I will be having a taste of this yummy food right away. In fact, my kids are telling me, "Mommy, I want to taste it." So guys, wow, this recipe is so easy and so delicious. You know, it's with the cheese on top, it's make it so cheesy. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed and God bless you all. See you next time on my next video. Bye for now.